Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unweld text or shape in circuit design space using your iPhone. Unwelding is useful when you want to separate letter or shape that were previously joined. Let's get started. Open the circuit design space app on your iPhone. Tap new process to open a blank canvas. Tap text, tap plus icon, then tap text at the bottom and type your words or paragraph or add shape from shape or images. Select a font or style you like. Sometimes fancy fonts are automatically welded so letter overlap. When the text or shape selected, with the text or shape selected, tap the unweld button at the bottom. Circuit will separate all letter or shape that were joined together. Now each letter or shape will be removed, sized or edited individually. Use two fingers to move, rotate or resize each letter or shape separately. This is helpful if you want spacing between letter or need to change their position before cutting. Once your text or shape are adjusted, tap Make It. Connect your iPhone to your circuit machine by Bluetooth. Select your material, load the mat and press Go to Cut. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. On this video, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.